So here we are at the fishing access site. Just want to point out some of the more detailed stratigraphy here. So these big chunky units at the bottom here, which are calcareous, tested them with some acid. You can see that the bottom here is very uneven. In fact, even within the layers of the limestone beds, it's not entirely even. And then the unit above that is a gray shale, but you can see here the style of lamination changes. So at the base, pretty nicely laminated. And as you move up, you can see it changes. Don't have them quite so nice anymore. Up until the contact there with the dark shales, which are weathered here to white. You can see some of the dark color on this under part where it's wet and not exposed.